In this video, we're going over geometric translations. So let's dive right in. What is a translation? And the definition I'm going to give here is that a translation is a geometric transformation that moves every point of a figure or shape by the same distance in a given direction on the coordinate plane without changing the orientation and keeping the shape congruent. Let's now move to the coordinate plane and let's see this in action. So let's say we have this rectangle here and we want to move that down over here. So we first need to move it over and then we need to move it down, and we have now translated that shape. And you can see that when we move it back, it's the exact same shape and congruency, nothing has changed. So now let's ask, how are these shapes translated? And we do this by using a vector. And a vector is like giving directions to get from one place to another. And in this case, a vector will tell us how many units we have to move left or right, and how many units we need to move up or down. And it's given typically in the format of X and Y, where the X coordinate will tell you how much you need to move left or right, and the Y coordinate will tell you how much you need to move up or down. So let's move to the actual coordinate plane. We're going to give you a shape with actual coordinate points, and we're going to give you a vector, and we're going to translate the shape with the vector. So the vector here is 7, -2. So that means every point on this rectangle is going to move to the right 7 units. And then on the y-axis, every point will move down 2 units. So let's do that. So first, let's move it to the right 7 units. So we're moving it every point to the right 7 units. And now we're going to move every point down 2 units. And this is our new translated shape with the new points right there. Let's do one more example here, and here we're going to have a triangle with the given points there, and the new vector is going to be -2, 4. So it means every point is going to move to the left 2 units, and every y point is going to move up 4 units. So let's do that. First, we're going to move to the left 2 units, and then up 4 units, and there is our new translated shape, exactly the same as the other one, just now in a different spot on the coordinate plane. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about TurtlEd, you can visit us at www.withturtled.com.